Hey, this is Kenny here, co-founder of HypeSprout. In this short demo video, I'm going to show you inside the software how everything works, how you can create a viral campaign in a short period of time. And I'm also going to show you a real life example of a campaign that's currently being run by one of our users. If you are logging in for the first time, you will see tutorial videos, a welcome message and a big button to start your first campaign. In this account there are already a couple of campaigns active. Now, if you want to create a new one, just click on Add New Campaign, just enter the title, click Save, and then you're going to be taken to the step-by-step setup process. Then you simply set the start and end date for your campaign and continue to the next step. Alright, so we have set the date for starting and ending your campaign. Then you will see the editor where you can completely customize all the important aspects of your pages. Now, if you see, you can see a live preview here, and on the left side you see a couple of sections that made up this editor. You have a design section, content section, you can edit the form, you can choose a template, and there are some other parts as well. Now, let me show you quickly how this works. You can choose the background color or image. You can decide what colors you want for the form here. You can change the button color, the text color, and so on. And if you go to templates, you can easily choose one of the templates that are available to you. Okay? We make it really simple. Your content stays the same, but we're easily switching to a different design. Let me show you that right now. So here you can just scroll down and see different templates. You just click on switch template and then it will change to that one. Alright, so let's do that now. I'm gonna pick this one. And there you go. And then you just continue, you go to the design section if you want to change the background image or you want to change the actual content. You just go to the content section here and you can enable or disable different elements, right? So you see there's like an image here, there's a video here, there are some text portions here, there's a logo. If you want to turn it off, click on or off, then it's gone. If you don't want an image here, click header image off and it's gone, video off. So you just keep the elements that you want. Really simple to use. There are also some footer links here that you can enable or disable or completely customize. You can do that right here. You can make links at the bottom open in a new tab or just make sure that if you click that there's actually a pop-up window coming with content. For example, your policy, what you do with data, disclaimer, etc. You can open that in a different pop-up here without going to another site. That's really cool. Now let me show you a real campaign that's currently active. I'm going to go through the different steps to show how it was set up. Okay, let's have a look at this campaign right here called Affiliate Shortcuts. You can see there are already 178 leads collected. Now here's how the page looks live. So you can see it's a simple opt-in page with a nice background. There's a timer here, really helps to get more opt-ins, and there's a clear call to action: get the shortcuts. Like Affiliate Shortcuts revealed how to 10x your commissions on a show string budget. Now this is actually for a 5-part mini course where this person is giving tips about affiliate marketing, how to get consistent sales. Now let's go to the settings of this campaign to show you how it was set up. So let's go to this Affiliate Shortcuts campaign by clicking here on the Manage Campaign icon. This will bring us to this first step, which are basic settings. Then you can go to Customize, to go to the editor. And you will see it's really easy to customize this opt-in page template. You just have to click on the text and then you can easily change the font, the size, the color, and so on. Just click here, you can easily select text and then, oh, it's loading. just click here, content, then right here you can change the font size, you can change font family, colors, bold, underline, and so on. You can of course enable, disable certain elements. Okay, now if you see here, let's go to the thank you section. So we're in the thank you section now, where you can actually customize the message that will be displayed right after someone submits the opt-in form. So here's the text that is being used. It says thanks for subscribing, then next, share to unlock rewards, and it will show a referral link automatically generated by HypeSprout. Also sharing buttons that with one click you can share it on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, email, etc. And it will also show the rewards that are set up in this campaign. Okay, so in this campaign, people get a reward when they get 2 referrals. When they invite 5 friends, they unlock another reward. 10 friends, 20 friends, and so on. So there are a couple of rewards here. You can even add custom HTML here in this section by adding HTML code in here. You can use short codes like user ranking, total participants, total points earned, total leads you have, total referrals. Just add these codes in here. So all of this text can be edited by you to completely customize the message that people will see. Now let's go to the sharing section here. If we go there, we can completely customize the message that people will share on Facebook, on Twitter, and so on when they click on the share buttons. Okay, so this is really cool. You can simply enable or disable this by clicking the button, and you can go to settings, and then you can actually see that there's an image here uploaded. There's a title, description, and a number of points that you're giving. These points are given for when someone first clicks on the Facebook share button to share, and also for a referral that is coming through a post that is made on Facebook. So when someone shares on Facebook and then one of his friends signs up, then this person who made the referral gets 10 points. Okay, you can do this for all of this. I recommend you use as many platforms as possible to get the most referrals. Now a next thing that you can see here is the reward section, which is a core feature of HypeSprout. Of course, you will give people rewards for getting to a certain number of points or referrals. So there's the opt-in reward that you can enable. This is if you're promising something upfront, like a lead magnet. You can set it up in there. You can simply say like you give it the name, the description, and then the actual content that people will see. You can set up multiple rewards here for 2 referrals, 5, 10, 20. You can enable, disable, or delete them. If you want to add more, just click here on add reward. Now every time you create rewards, the software will automatically also create a reward email. This is here in the email section, so let's go there right now. By default, there are a couple of emails ready-made for you, like there's a sign-up email that you can edit, there's a referral notification email, so if you invite a friend and he signs up, you get an email saying congratulations, you just made a referral, or someone just signed up with your link. You can completely customize the subject line, the content inside the email. You can add shortcodes like this, referral URL. This will give the URL, the referral link, for every lead. So whenever someone's making a referral, they will get this email and it will give them their referral link. Again, you can even add another shortcode here, like says share links. This will add the Facebook share button, Twitter button, and so on, email button, all inside the email for easy instant sharing. Now a really cool thing, but this is a pro feature, is the questions feature here. Now if you saw here in the emails, at the bottom it says questions, and you can actually select a question, a multiple choice question, to be added inside the email. Now here you would select like one of the questions you have created, and then anywhere in the email you can add a code here that says short code that says question, and it will add this specific question anywhere inside your email. Now if we go to the questions section, I will show you how this works. This is really great because you can ask questions to your leads, and whenever they click on one of the answers, they will earn points. So if you're running a contest, for example, they will be able to earn more points, not just for referring but also for answering questions. At the same time, you're getting a lot of information about your leads. You can use this information to decide what kind of emails you're going to send to this list. If 80% of the people who answer the question say they are a beginner, for example, in affiliate marketing, or beginner in online business, if you ask them a question about online business, then that really helps you with your marketing. Now, all you need to do is add question, give it a title. So this will be like the actual question. So like, how good are you at this or that? The number of points you give for an answer, just answer 1, answer 2, etc. You can add more, answer 3, and you just click a color that you want to use for that actual buttons that they click on. If they click on answer 1, 2, 3, and simply click on save, and then you have actually, okay, question, points 10, click save, and then it's saved. Here you can add as many questions as you want, so you just click add new questions, and then whatever emails you're sending out automatically, you could, if you want, include a multiple choice question in there to actually create more engagement, to get information about your leads, and to give them the opportunity to earn more points in your campaign. Now you will see there are different emails: sign up email, referral notification email. For all the rewards that were created, there's automatically a reward email automatically created for you. You can simply edit the text and make sure it's customized, and these emails are going to be sent whenever someone unlocks a reward. So someone referred 2 friends and he earned a upgrade at a website in this case, then this email is going to be sent out: congratulations, you unlocked a 1-month upgrade, here are the details, etc, etc. You could add a question here inside this email, and then add the shortcode here, and then when that person gets the email, he will see a really cool multiple choice question. I'm going to show you right now how that looks. This is an example from another campaign, but you can see how the questions look like. You will see this is the title that you gave it, and these are the options that you entered, and whenever someone clicks on one of the answers, he will get points for this if you have set this in the question settings. Okay, and they will be sent, after getting the points, they will be sent to a page where they can see their current ranking if it's the contest, or the kind of rewards that they have unlocked, or the number of referrals that they just have. It's like a progress page where they can see where they stand in your campaign. Really cool. A really cool thing that you can do through this email section is that you can set up reminder emails to be sent out a certain number of days after your lead has opted in. You just click add new email, enter subject, enter the message, and say like how many days before this email should be sent out. You can set up multiple reminder emails so they automatically get reminded to keep sharing your opt-in page. At any time, you could also create broadcast emails. Just click add new email, enter the subject, the message, select all leads, or enter a custom email, and click send. Now these 2 features, reminder emails and broadcast emails, are for upgraded members only. Here are some other parts of the system. You have the integration section where you can easily add your autoresponder for this specific campaign. Now with HypeSprout you can connect multiple autoresponder accounts, and then for each separate campaign you can decide which autoresponder to use and which list to use. You can also add your own SMTP account for sending out the emails, which could improve your deliverability. Now there's also the statistics section where you can see all kinds of statistics about your campaign. I'll show you that in a minute. There's the language settings where you can actually translate a couple of English terms that are used in certain places on certain pages, so that if you're running a campaign and you want to run it in your own local language, you can do so by just translating some parts of our the text that's being used on our pages. Okay, Simply enter the translation here and you can have your own contest or other viral campaign in your language. And then there's the publish section where you can publish your page in different ways. First of all, you can grab your campaign URL here and easily share it on Facebook, Twitter and Google. You can customize the link. You can, just like this person did, he customized the last part of the link. You can also set a public page title. You can embed the whole opt-in page inside another page. You can use the copy code feature to actually embed the HypeSprout opt-in form in your own custom landing page. So you can use your own page builders to create a page and then you embed the opt-in form and the viral sharing system in your page. And you can also use your custom domain name so that your main campaign link has yourdomain.com in it and the referral links also show your domain name. Really cool. Now let's go to the statistics page where you will go very often to see how your contest is running. Okay, now you will see immediately that you get some kind of statistics here: total visitors, unique visitors, then the total leads that were collected, and it's split up into direct leads, which are the leads to your main campaign link. So if you're running a campaign, you would promote your main campaign link, and let's say you send people to that page and you get 38 direct leads. Okay, now if people start referring, you will get also viral leads. In this case, 140 viral leads were added to the list. So 38 direct and 140 through word of mouth. The power of word of mouth and referral marketing resulting in a total of 178 leads. You get some graph here, you get a chart where you can see also the different share methods, how often was the email referral link shared, Facebook, Twitter share, Google share, and so on. If you added the question and people actually clicked on the question, you will be able to see statistics to see for each question how are the answers, how many people, the percentage that says option A, option B, option C. So this way you can really get some insight, and you get a whole list of leads here that you can check, and you can see for every lead who they referred into the system. So those are all the steps that you need to go through, or everywhere where you can customize things inside HypeSprout. Every lead who joined the campaign will get a link to his own progress page where he can see the number of referrals he has, the rewards that were unlocked, and so on. You can decide what information is shown on this page. If you're running a contest, you can show the users ranking in the contest, the total points, the referrals, the total participants in your contest, and so on. So if you see here, you can see there was an image added here through HTML, the text was completely customized, referral link is shown here, and the rewards are showing down here. So at any time, people can go back to their progress page to check their current standing in the campaign. Everyone receives this inside the emails. You can add the progress page link with a simple shortcode in any of your emails. What you see here is one of the emails that's being sent out by the system automatically, and that includes a customizable message. So this is a thank you email that's sent with a link to a gift. It also includes a referral link. It tells you how many referrals you have and a link to the progress page. It also includes the share button so that people can instantly share their referral link again. So this is really cool. You can customize the entire email and the subject line, just like you can customize all the other emails that are automatically sent out to those leads that you collect. Now this is just one of the ways to use HypeSprout to build your email list super fast using referral marketing. In this case, a simple mini course was offered, and in return of sharing it with your friends, you could unlock different rewards. Now you can also use HypeSprout to create a real viral contest where people compete for certain prizes that you're offering. You could say the top 5 or the top 10 people who invite the most friends to my campaign win my new product or win something really special. And you can even pick some random winners where you say everyone who doesn't make it to the top 5 or top 10 still has a chance to be picked as a random winner. The software really makes this easy for you. Basically, you can turn any of your opt-in forms, any of your traditional lead magnets into something that brings you viral leads. And that's what you want, right? You want to grow your email list so you can sell more, make more profits. With HypeSprout, you can create different kinds of viral campaigns. If you can imagine it, you can create it. It's really flexible, so I highly recommend to try it out and see what it can do for your business. Thank you very much for watching this video.